Alright guys, Deputy Digger here. We're over top of an 84 signal. 84, 83. It may be a dime, maybe something else. Let's check it out, see what we got. Nothing in the hole. Oh, we got something here. On the side wall here. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. There it is, it's right there. Let's get right down there and see what we got. What's it gonna be, you guys? What is it gonna be? Oh, let's see. What is it gonna be? I don't know. Gotta be something. It's gotta be something. Oh, I see something in there. What do I see? What is this? Boy, it's really in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. See if we can get it out of there. Here it comes, whatever it is. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Is that a bank truck? That's a bank truck! There's probably all kinds of treasure in this truck. Oh my goodness! That is amazing. We are gonna take that. We'll have to crack this baby open. We will have to crack this baby open. They're probably on the way to the bank. Wow. Guard. Oh man, we're gonna have to clean this up. We have to get the pressure washer out for this one. This is awesome. The bank truck. We recovered the bank truck. I can't believe it. All right. Clean her up. See what we got. Hey guys, originally when I dug this, I thought this was a bank truck, but it's actually a SWAT truck, which is really cool. I am a sheriff's deputy by day, those of you who don't know me, and I do metal detecting as my hobby. So it's pretty cool to find this SWAT truck. It's pretty awesome. These guys are men and women, they're frontliners, they're people that are brave and highly trained, that are on SWAT teams. In our county, in Cattaraugus County, they call them the Special Response Team. Super proud of these guys and what they do. It's pretty awesome. But thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed.